everyone. So today I am going to do a tour of Central Texas College. Central Texas College is like a 2-year community college located in Killeen, Texas, in the central part of Texas. It's evening time, so the video might look a little bit dull, and there's a lot of noise around because it's close to a highway I'm currently located. But yeah, I really don't know much about this campus, so I'm just going to walk through it and then we'll see some spots. I like this spot actually. Yep. See the sign? Let me show you the sign. Central Texas College. It is a 2-year community college where folks start out and then can later transfer on to a 4-year college if they want to, or just graduate with their associate's degree, and they do offer a number of certificates as well. I like this spot here. The water is quite high right now. It is a lovely spot. Duck Point. I might end up making the video faster because walking around. If I get to the other side, it's going to be a little, because we're walking, not driving. So all right, let's see. So, I am currently at the Science Center. I love walking through this campus. It's like serene, it's nice, it's quiet. Even when it's like normal fall semester, it's still like, I mean, I've not been here during, I guess, regular work hours, so I can't say how it is, but every time I've come here, it's just been so peaceful. The next addition to my video. Sure. I mean, we'll find out. You can see if we can enter because the light is green, so I think it's open. Okay. All right. We are inside the Science Center. Where are we? We are right here at 150. So, do you say 150?
Okay.
Yeah, they're right here. Okay. Nothing much to see. Huh? Oh, they're cleaning. Nice glasses. Yeah, we feel like this is another building. Where is this? This is okay. I don't know. Seat M Wiser Kate Center East. Okay, this is the Seat Wiser Vocational Skills Center. I can see that we can access it like the. It's already closed out. All right. Where to next? Okay, so this building, the sun is, let me see if I can get it better. Yeah, it's the technology center. Okay, it's open. Please no few people. It's quite nice. Nice. Maths lab. Cool building, but I'm not going to pass. Oh, this is the planetarium. Interesting. I could have gone out from that entrance, but I left my people outside, so I gotta go back out. If I was very sloppy, I would climb all of these stairs and go up and see what's there, but y'all, I am not trying to be snoopy in a building I don't know. Plus it's evening time, so all right, let's go out. But the technology building looks so cool. Technology center looks so cool. Looks so cool. Looks so cool. Okay, this is Igu Hall. I don't know what happens there. It's just Igu Hall. Probably an academic building. I don't know. I'm not sure. Should I check it out? Nah, let's move on. Yeah, it doesn't look accessible. We have a stroller with us here also.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it's a longer route. Exactly. Yeah. As well.
But honestly, it's not wheelchair. What about people that have disability?
Yeah. Okay, this is another building. Yeah. Right. I get what you're saying. This is Killeen ISD Early College High School. Interesting. Guys, this is where. No, I don't think it's a high school. It says Shoemaker Center, but I think you know how like students in high school here can take college credits and things like that. I think maybe that's what's happening there. But this is the Shoemaker Center. At least that's our right. But at least that's how I'm interpreting the sign. Like early college, if you want to start taking college credits, and that way you can graduate college early. You know, split your tuition into two. I said into two, like reduce it. Okay, where are we?
That's the last one. It's the line now.
Are we making a left or a right? I'm making a left. Yeah. Make a left and then we'll come back and go down. Roy J. Smith Student Center, I guess is the side of the building. We're going towards the front now. Right. And this is campus center, okay? Alright. This is your student center. Alright.
They do like kind of like street-ish.
I like the vibes.
Downtown.
Yeah. Okay.
Downtown.
It is. An ancient downtown. Yeah. Right. Alright, we move. We just passed the student center. This is the campus center. You can already see where they sell. I guess that's their bookstore because I already see swags. Closed. We can enter. It's closed. I thought the student centers are supposed to be open. Yeah, but I feel like a lot of student centers in a lot of other institutions don't close. Alright, Fine Arts Center right here. Let me zoom this thing back in. Alright, what's the time? 7:34 p.m. Okay. Alright, we're back here. Yes, the doors. Ladybird Johnson Fine Arts. Nice. By the do I feel like we've been walking forever and we've only walked for like 33 minutes?
Yeah.
This is like the telecommunications building, Frank W. Mayburn Telecommunications. All right. This is the, I don't know, it just is academic. Alrighty. And this one right here is the computer science building. I don't know if that's the name or they just put in signs like, oh yeah, this is the computer science department, or that's the name of the building. I'm not sure, but yeah. And then I don't know if this is scale academic. Okay, nice. All right. I'm not sure where this is. Oh, it says student services over there. This is the computer service building that we passed. Then that's the enrollment center over there. I might drive by, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna turn around because, like I said, I have this stroller with me and I'm not trying to take it up this flight of stairs. So we're gonna take the ramp. Enrollment center, student services, computer science, and it's just as academic, I think. Interesting. I decided back where we parked. Oh, that's the library right there. Administration, and this is Martin. Is it Martin All? Okay, Martin out from this other view, other side. Boom, boom, badam, boom. Boom, boom, badam, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Back where we parked, right here.